Greetings from outer space, guys. It's your girl Jupiter Red, and I'm about to show you what I eat in a day on the keto diet. Just to let you guys know, it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I did not eat breakfast, I did not eat lunch, I did not eat anything. All I did today was I went to the gym and I showered and I got a little cute for this video or whatever. I actually do skip meals quite a bit, but I am considering this lunch and I do plan on eating dinner later. So let me show you what I'm having for lunch. Right now I am making ground beef because I am going to be making taco salad. Get over there, sour cream. Be with your buddies.
Yeah. Now we're talking.
My ground beef is now ready to go on top of a salad. My taco salad is now complete and I drink it with a nice small glass of Diet Coke because I'm tired of drinking water, but I only drink 1 glass of Diet Coke and I drink 1 liter of water every day. So I'm about to smash this, so I'll see you at snack time. Alright guys, I have officially finished my lunch I think like 15 minutes ago, and because I'm a fat ass, it's already time for snack time. So let's see what I'm eating. I got me some strawberries cut up, some blackberries, and some blueberries, and some Ready Whip because I'm about to make I guess berries and cream. Now this berries and cream little snack actually does give me most of the carbs that I am supposed to eat in a day, but I don't really count the carbs for fruits, well, at least for berries or whatever, because that's what gives me fiber. Because on the keto diet, if I'm just eating salad, I'm not getting a lot of fiber because a lot of the salad leaves are mostly water anyway. So I like to make sure I'm getting my fiber through this so that I can poop, because pooping is important. My snack is now all gone. Real tears, real tears. Like I was saying before, this snack is high in carbs, but it has not been enough to knock me out of ketosis. Like I was saying before, I eat it because of the fiber, because the keto diet does knock a lot of high fiber foods out of your diet, such as bread, like brown rice, and what else is there? Beans. Beans has a ton of soluble fiber, and we can't even eat those because it's too high in carbs. So this is how I get my fiber. So I'll see you guys at dinner time, I guess. Alrighty guys, this is my last meal of the day. I went to American Deli and got me some chicken wings. Of course they are not battered, and I didn't get any french fries, and I got some salad out of my fridge, put some salad right there, took the carrots out because I can't eat carrots because they're too high in carbs, and I got a little blue cheese or whatever for my wings. This is what I'm about to eat for dinner, so that is pretty much, I guess that pretty much sums it up. Y'all got to see what I ate all day long. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys got some ideas of what to eat if you do decide to do the keto diet. I do have a weigh-in coming for you guys, so make sure you shoot that subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified when that video comes up and when my other videos come up, because I know you want to watch me get sexy. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next video. Toodaloo.